Hey everyone, it's Deer from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I'm pumped. Today we are going to be unboxing our brand new Latitude Chromebook 3445, and it's definitely been some time since I've unboxed an education device, yet alone a Chromebook that's 14 inches. So let's jump right in. Go ahead and let's cut the seal. And big reveal. Sweet. So we've got the AC adapter here, which is 65 watts. Let's go ahead and take the notebook out. Move this off to the side. And let's take a look at the notebook itself. This comes in this awesome sleeve. Ooh. So right off the bat, you know, hey, this is a Chromebook. I really like what we've done with the overall texture and the finishing of this device. Pretty sweet. So that's the Latitude 3445. Let's go ahead and open it up. So you'll see we've got the keyboard over here. Because this is a Chromebook, you know, the layout is different based on Chrome OS. We do got some pretty good ports, and I'll walk you through that just a second. Alrighty. So you do have fan venting out the back, which is great. Let's take a look at the ports. So you do have your USB Type-C display port, USB Type-A, and then a full-size HDMI jack. And then we flip it around on this side. That is an SD card, another display port over USB Type-C. You do have your 3.5mm jack and a Noble lock slot. So again, this is a 14-inch Chromebook education device. Great for students if they need to be using a Chromebook for any type of learning environment. Now, one of the awesome things with regards to the Latitude Chromebook 3445 is that we've really come a long way with respect to the architecture that's in there. This particular device is going to have an AMD Mendocino processor. You will see, you know, with some of the design tenets, hey, you have a fingerprint reader, you know, you do have a camera, so you're ready for video collaboration. We have done a ton with respect to what we can actually put in one of these guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thanks so much. Take care.